In this video today we will see how to add folders to your iPhone and what will be the use of those folders. Now the first use is, suppose if you want to put the apps together in a single folder, then you can create a folder in that case. For example, if I want to group Facebook and Messenger together, I will tap and hold this Facebook application until it starts to shake like this one. Then I can drag and drop over the Messenger application and you can see a folder is created. So if I go outside, you can see this is the folder. Now suppose if you want to rename the folder, then you can tap and hold the folder, rename, and if you want you can just change the name and then select done. So this is the first use of a folder. Now suppose we want to store the documents such as medias or any other file, then in that case also you can create a folder. For that one, let me open files, let me go back. Now I can create folder in iCloud Drive. You can create folder in Google Drive if you have installed the application. You can also create folder on your iPhone. So let me create folder on my iPhone. So I will open it. I will tap on this more option here, new folder. And if I want, I can rename the folder. So I'll just write doc and then done. Now once I create a folder, what I can do is I can store the documents inside this folder. If I want, I can go to photos and then I can open any photo and then I can store these photos inside that folder, or else if I want, I can open WhatsApp application and then what I can do is I can open and I can store any of the documents or photos inside that folder. Now let me go to gallery and let me open any photo. Suppose if I want to store these photos inside that folder, then what I can do is I can tap on this select, then I can select those photos which I want to store in that folder. After that, tap on this share icon at the bottom, then go to this option save to files. Then from here I can choose the folder. So this was the folder I created. I will open it and then save. So once I do, I can go back. So this was the folder and inside the folder you can see I have the photos. So in this way you can create folder either for grouping the applications together, or you can create a folder in order to save files. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.